What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before you guys say I look like a bum, and I always look like a bum, we already established that I look like a bum. Who cares? Not me. Today I'm not really doing anything. I have to do my hair. As you can see, I have a bonnet on because I have my hair out and it's in a fro. It's a little matted right now. I kind of hot combed the top of it, but well, the perimeter, but I still have this little hump right here to hot comb, and it's not a fun time. I did not vlog these past 2 days that I've been off. I've been relaxing. I've been living my best life. And yeah, so for this vlog today, I'm not going to be getting dressed. I'm not going to be showing off. I'm not going to be looking cute. So if you came in here expecting me to have on a bomb ass wig being on fleek, curls being bouncy, this is not the video for you. So I'm gonna need you to just click off right now. But if you came on here, you expected me to look like a bum, expected me to show my double chin that I have randomly gotten in these past couple months, no wig on, dusty tea, then you found the right channel. Stay tuned. Guys, this is me. So as you guys already know, this is my beautiful girl. Oh, you yawning? Can I have an Eskimo? Let's see if she gives me an Eskimo. Can I have an Eskimo? Thank you. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah, she hates me, but it's fine. It's totally fine. We're gonna get over it. You guys. Oh, that was not attractive. Came very fast, and I'm very caught off guard, I would say, you know. So I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for that, and you know, just get ready because I'm gonna be a new bitch. I wish you guys could see how I just tooted my leg, but like I said, I don't have any pants on, so I can't. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's actually Friday, and it is 5:10 in the freaking morning. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys how appreciative I am of you guys on this channel, and how I love you guys so much, and I'm so happy that you guys support me so much. Guys, before I start this vlog, I want to tell you that this hair is actually by Beauty Forever Hair. I have in 3 bundles, 24, 22, 20, and then an 18-inch closure. But I actually chopped the hair because I didn't like how long it was. I really don't like long curly hair. But this is their Malaysian curly hair, like I said. Beauty Forever Hair is just slaying the game with this hair at this point. Like, it's so soft. It's easy to manage, and it's not one of those hairs that like it tangles up when you run your hands through. Like, literally you can run your hands through without a problem. Guys, if you're on the market for some hair and you're just like, yes, I need to get me some bundles, I need to slay the game, I need to slay on a budget, you have to check out Beauty Forever Hair, because it's like, this is the only hair company that you can actually slay with on a budget. So if you are trying to save those coins and you know for a fact that like you want some curly hair but you want to slay and save your coins, Beauty Forever Hair is the hair company for you. So you need to do it. You need to go check the description box, look, click the link, go put the hair in the cart and purchase some Beauty Forever Hair, because it's just like, why wouldn't you at this point? Like, it's like, it's some bomb hair. Why wouldn't you want to purchase it? Why wouldn't you want to rock this? Why wouldn't you want to slay and represent for Beauty Forever Hair? Because I'm slaying, I'm representing, I'm doing everything that I'm supposed to do. So yeah, you guys definitely check out Beauty Forever Hair, and I'm excited, you guys. I'm excited for 2019. I can't believe it's already here. It's crazy to me. Like, I would have never thought that it would come this fast. Like, obviously 2019 is gonna come, that's blatantly obvious, but to come this fast is crazy to me. Like, oh my god, guys, oh my god, oh my god. And here's Miso. Say good morning to Miso. Yeah, but good morning, guys. Yeah, good morning, guys. I'll see you guys after I get off of work. Bye, guys. Yeah, so you guys know the fact that I leave for Colombia next week, and you guys know, or you guys don't know, but I get my nails done every 2 weeks. I usually just get a gel manicure and a pedicure. But if you don't know, when I went to Colombia, I can't have any nail polish on. I'm not about to waste my money and get my nails done this week and then literally have to take it off next week when I just basically got it done. So I saw a YouTuber by the name of Aaliyah Face. I think that's her name. I'm not for sure, but I think that's her name. But she was using these press-on nails on her Instagram. And I used to wear press-on nails as a kid because, like, you know, you can wear real acrylic. So I would, like, try to play with, like, press-on nails. And her nails usually look so freaking good. So she usually gets these ones right here. But I also got these ones because I'm not really into bedazzle. But I was like, you know what? Let me try. You know, let me see if this is what I want to do. But, you guys, I just want to let you guys know that these are going to be one of these pair of nails are going to be the nails that I'm going to be wearing for the next week or so until I leave for Colombia, and then I'm gonna just pop them off. And then when I come back from Colombia, I'll probably get my nails done again, or if these work out, I'll just keep on doing my nails this way for a little bit, you know. But yeah, I'll just tell you guys how it worked after I put them on. So guys, excuse the stuff on my pants, but these are how my nails turned out. Like, they are so cute. I love them. So this is how the nail actually looked. It was like more long, and as you see, I kind of rounded it out and shortened it a little bit. I'm just not a fan of long nails on my chubby, stubby hands. So, guys, you definitely have to check out Kiss nails. I haven't tried these ones out yet. I opened them up, but I didn't try them yet. But they're going to be my next ones that I try. But, guys, honestly, I really think that I am just going to stick with press-on nails for a while because this is so cute. And they really look like I just went and got acrylics done. So, I'm excited. Definitely check them out, guys. Hello, Mrs. Biso. Are you tired? Are you tired? She looks so beautiful on camera. Look at my child. Say hi.
Hey, how are you?
We haven't done YouTube in a while. Hey guys, let's see. See how I look. Babe, thank you. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I haven't vlogged in about God knows how long. Haven't pulled out this camera in so long, but we're about to go outside. I don't know what we're about to do. I know we're about to go to Target because I want to get some more press-on nails because I think they're so cute. I like them so much, so I'm about to go do that. But after that, I don't know what we're doing, where we're going. I don't know. So I'm gonna take you guys along with us because, like I said, I haven't vlogged in so long and we miss you guys so much. So if you guys want to see what we're gonna be up to today, then definitely stay tuned. She moves on, she says, don't take it personal. Hey, Mr. Duke. Hi, Mr. Duke. Hello, Mr. Duke.
He wants to take a ride to Ocean Drive.
Hey, Mrs. Miso. Okay. Wait, you can't see me. I look dark. Okay, guys. So we just got back from... Okay guys, so we just got back in the house. We went to Target and picked up a couple of things. I actually got some more press-on nails. If you guys saw the clip earlier when I put on these press-on nails, I am like literally in love. Like, this is how they look. Do you see that? They are so beautiful. They literally look like my real nails. And of course they were longer, but I shaved them, but they like my real nails, so whatever. But yeah, so we went to Target and I got some more press-on nails and we got some cat food and, you know, the regular stuff that you get from Target. And then we went to Grand Lux. I'll insert the little clips that I got off of Instagram somewhere. And then now we're back home. We literally did not vlog today. Today was kind of a day just to like rest and not really do anything. But once I come back, February 9th, when I come back, I will be trying to go consistent. Like probably the week after that, I'll be going really consistent, posting at least 2 to 3 times out of the week, maybe even 4, you know. But yeah, I definitely want to be more consistent this year. That was one of my biggest goals, is to be consistent on YouTube. I want to hit my number of uploads and make it 200 by at least 200 by the end of the year. So I'm gonna be doing that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the new nails that I got because I showed you the other ones earlier. So I'm gonna show you guys the ones that I got now. Oh, and I got a calendar because I want to start. Hold on. I got a calendar because I want to start planning out my uploads and everything. So I have like, I feel like if I give myself a deadline, it'll make me do it even faster and it'll make me stay consistent if I have a deadline. So I would definitely want to start uploading. I would definitely want to start keeping track of my uploads. But yeah, this is the cat food that we use. These two. Gotta get some razors. And we got the cats some more Temptations because they love these. But this is some of the face wash that I use. I got some more nail glue because I'm just too excited to try on these nails. I got these nails. Oh my god, I'm so excited to put these ones on. They are so cute. And then I actually got 2 pairs of those, I think. Yeah, I got 2 pairs of those nails. So I got 2 pairs. And then I got these matte ones. Gary said he liked these ones, so I got these ones too. But yeah, that's probably gonna... Oh, I look blurry. Yeah, but that's probably gonna conclude the vlog for today. I probably will update you guys tomorrow just to, like, you know, give you guys more minutes because obviously I didn't film. And by the way, this vlog is very discombobulated. We're gonna be jumping all around from like last week to this week, so bear with me. But like I said, February is gonna be a good month for us, guys. After February 9th, I will be home. Stop it, Miso. I will be home. February 9th is when I come back home. February 10th, I'll be getting myself back together. But after that, like probably the second week of February, I'm going to be going full force with like my uploads and like just giving you guys way more content, doing more vlogs and stuff like that for you guys. And like I said, I'm gonna be traveling and things like that more, so definitely stay tuned for all those things. Definitely keep in touch to definitely stay in tune. And you know, yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram name right here, and it's also linked on my channel's banner. It's on there too. So yeah, definitely follow me on Instagram. Definitely stay in touch with me, guys. Definitely pray for me. Pray for me, guys. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.